What up, YouTube, what up? It's Nimbus here. If those of you who know who I'm referencing, put it in the comments. Here today, going to change the valve cover gasket. It's leaking a bit. Here, check it out. So, right here in the front, it's leaking a bit. Yeah, there you go. It's leaking bad right there. And then over here in the back, all the way back, all the way around in the back to the other side, it's leaking. So, and then we might do something with the valve cover to make it look cool. We'll be back to do stuff. Maybe just start taking out the vacuum lines and all. Okay, so we got the all the vacuum lines off and some of the clips undone, and now Katie's gonna take off the 12mm bolt. Is that a problem? Would that affect things?
It looks like it's cracked.
Would that affect things? So there's these things that are beneath the bolts themselves, and you have to spin them off. They're a pain in the ass. But otherwise you won't be able to get the valve cover off. So tip to all the 22 RE people out there. So that one is like either cross-threaded or bent because it's sideways. Yeah. Cross-threaded or bent. What do you guys think? Okay, so we got those metal grommets off. So yeah, there's two there, two back there. Got them out. I think next we're actually going to try to lift the valve cover off. Alright, Katie's going to try to pull off the valve cover.
Oh, it just comes off.
Okay, so careful not to hit the thread. So you might want to get a grip on the back too, maybe.
Yeah, maybe here.
If you need me to...
So I need to go up. Wait, so this is definitely going to be in the way because it's too tight to move around.
So we got to take off these two. So
maybe not this one, but at least this one.
Okay, so get the pliers and right here. All right, we'll be back and we'll do that.
I got this. This one. Oop. This stuff is all kind of in the way.
Come out towards me.
Okay. Alright.
Okay, now, flip it over and put it on my tool set right over there.
Oh.
The valve train. It's pretty dirty, but everything seems to be there. It's got like a nice reddish bronze color. There's some blackness, you know, but it's not super black. Cool. If anybody sees anything that's not obvious to us, that you think is like painfully obvious, please let us know. Thank you. We'll be back. We're gonna do some investigation and then go from there. Okie dokie, so getting ready to clean it, taking off all the little shits, all the little bits, and gonna brake clean it. Well, Katie got it super clean. So we're gonna throw a layer of clear over it and slam it back in there after letting it dry. Okay, we're using Rust-Oleum clear now.
Yeah. Done with it.
Yeah. Alrighty. It's shiny now. It's not perfect. There's definitely like imperfections and flaws and stuff, but we kind of like that, so it's got history. We're gonna let it dry and then do the thing. I think it's gonna make the engine bay kind of pop a little bit. Okay, so this gasket is like a cheaper gasket and it didn't have the shape like the one that's on there. Like it doesn't have like a groove in it like it's supposed to. So we're gonna reuse the original gasket that looked like it's in pretty damn good condition. It's just the half moons on either side. These need to be replaced and these need to be replaced. So we gotta use part of the gasket kit, but the main gasket, we're gonna just save that because the one we have still looks in decent condition and the half moons on the engine are really what seem to be leaking that really badly. So we're going to replace those and the RTV underneath them and then save the actual gasket that goes around the valve cover. See how this gasket actually has like a groove to it and like a shape? The other one didn't. It was like a fucking rubber band just like widdly woo. So we're going to use this one again. I'm
cleaning out the part where the half moon gaskets were because they basically melted onto the metal, onto the head.
Okay, some of the hardware that came off the valve cover, I'm just going to go ahead and clean it up and give it a quick coat of black engine enamel.
So I got I guess is the edge of the head cleaned off as good as I could. It's not perfect, I don't know if you can see, but there's kind of nicks, some imperfections. It looks like it'll still probably seal okay. She's helping.
So we're making tacos. You're putting RTV on the half moons. So yeah, we'll show you once they're both all greased.
I hope it's not.
Let me see. It does look wrong. Take it out and flip it over. It likes to just rock. Alrighty, cool. Katie cleaned out the inside as well. Got the gasket fit and white lithium grease. I gotta start trying to work it in there so I know what to get out of the way. Okay.
Oops, I don't know where I'm going now.
Look right here.
Okay, so I need to go more back.
Oh, okay. Line everything up real good. You having a good time?
I'm having a good time? Yeah, I guess so.
Not bad. We're doing she's trying to figure out the hardware thing because there's definitely a bolt missing. We discovered a pretty fatty vacuum leak and right over here. But now she's looking at all the bolts to make sure they're all what they're supposed to be, and they're definitely not. So we're gonna have to do some hardware hunting, which is okay. But for now, just get it back together.
Yay!
We solved it. We found
this bolt is slightly longer and it goes here. And then all these are the same.
Alright, everything is back together. I am extremely nervous. Katie went to go get the keys and we're gonna start it up. Oh shit, I'm nervous. Oh!
Oh yeah! Alright.
Give me a countdown.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
It starts! Don't rev it yet. Alright, let's keep an eye on this gasket. Let it run for a little bit. If anybody hears anything weird or is there anything, let us know. Sounds normal to me. Well, it's like it realizing the tune it needed. Let it warm up and then go take it for a drive and then open the hood and see if everything's still good. She's gonna take it around the block really quick and then we're gonna open up the hood when she gets back to see if how everything's going. Basically warm it up, heat cycle it once, BRB. Still wet kind of from previous leaks, but it doesn't look like there's any new leaks. Alright, well we did it. We'll probably get some shots tomorrow in the sunlight, get a new sticker on there, you know, and yeah, be happy. Next on this car, we're probably going to do the brake master cylinder. We're going to call the video here though, and you'll see it in the daylight in another video. For everybody to watch, thank you guys for watching.